रहीम सिलसिला वहीं से शुरू करते हैं जहाँ छोड़ा है. Barbara Tayyab Ali from Chennai and Anjumza is here in London. Thank you. सुनिए.
A spiritual director
Now,
of Christianity.
let me give you only 30 seconds, please. We are condemning things which is happening all over the world. We will condemn the attack, we condemn this, we condemn. Now is the time we have to fix the problem, not only condemn.
Yes. No, we can't condemn. Yes.
Because for the last 70 years, 72, when India, Pakistan came, even in India we condemn. Even in Pakistan we condemn only what is happening anywhere, whether it is Kashmir or no Kashmir or Pakistan or India or America.
Yes.
We condemn.
Yes.
Now is the time we should fix the problem. And we should
get... It should be a democratic formation of international human rights.
Yes, and we should get rid of corrupt elite who are ruling our country.
Yes.
They are not rulers, they are dacoits, they are dakus, they are badmash in the Indian language. And it is not me saying,
correct.
It is not me saying, it is Chief Justice Markande.
General.
Chief Justice Markande of India also said the same. And the same thing is happening in Pakistan. The Supreme Court of Pakistan has given judgment that the political parties in Pakistan, they are operating militant wings inside Pakistan.
Today is 23/7/2020. ये रिकॉर्डिंग सिलसिला जारी है.
It is the observation given by the Supreme Court of Pakistan, then it should be implemented in true letter and spirit. And we want, I am now talking of Pakistan, we want weapon-free Pakistan, de-weaponization in Pakistan, for the sake of safety in Pakistan, and similar thing in India. And I have already requested Pakistani government for the last many years to de-weaponize Pakistan. If there is no peace in Pakistan, there will be no peace in India, no peace in Afghanistan. If there is no peace in India, there will be no peace in Pakistan. Right? We are living in a global village. It is not a question whether we want peace in India or we want peace in Pakistan. We want peace all over the globe. We are living in a global village. That is my suggestion. And second thing I would like to say to the Pakistani government and also maybe India, one is demonetization of a bigger note, because money laundering is always done by a bigger note. So Pakistani currency 5,000 rupees, they should demonetize. Second thing, I have already requested the government of Pakistan many times, but nobody listened. With immediate effect, you should money changer, no money changer in Pakistan. All transaction of money should be through bank, right? So
Direct deal.
There should be no money changer, whether money taking out from Pakistan or money bringing in.
We don't need the middleman who's making terrible commissions.
So the money changer should be stopped all over the world. But the rulers...
Yes, we can do it.
So it is now, we can only request, it is the duty of the government to do this. India, right? So while talking...
We have to suggest.
Yes. No, we have already suggested. Now we have to tell them to go away or listen. Finish. Suggest. They know.
Now or never. Take it or leave it.
It is not a rocket science. They always we speak and they don't listen.
No.
So
I have to listen. It's high time we open the topics and
what
brought it out in the open. Put it on the table.
There was a case in India, Lok Sabha, pension case. I really... Okay.
She's still suffering. Her husband was a peace fighter with Gandhi.
Yes.
They have just thrown it under the tables because she doesn't have anyone powerful to bring it up and put on the table.
And you know this Noor Sabha
is also already an international affair.
Daughter-in-law of Dr. Zakir Husain's family.
Yes. Correct. What is the use? Tell me. Once they're dead, they just put a garland on all those big people. That's all. They forget the relations, they forget every human act.
Still, I salute Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad. He is really...
His birthday, yes.
Oh my God. He's a man with...
They're going to celebrate his birthday.
Yes.
You can make a special request on his birthday for these changes.
Obviously. He really... उसने life गुजारी very simple, with no money, no belongings, and a very simple man.
Very, very simple. He never entertained his own relations in a five-star hotel.
Yes. I wish this should happen. This should happen in Pakistan and India to other people. They should follow his.
They have to follow suit. They're celebrating his birthday, asking everyone to give 1,50,000 donations to celebrate it. I said no, I'll give it to the poor and I'll put out. On behalf of him, I have celebrated his birthday with the poor.
Chale, nice talking to you. Anything you want to say?
We'll poor instead.
अभी क्लोज करें और मैं इसको लगाऊंगा ग्लोबल पीस के चैनल पे. Whatever we are talking, it will go on that channel.
Whatever you have recorded, whatever you have spoken, whatever the whole lot of your the team spirit, please send it to me and definitely I will be the one to forward it around the world.
Okay, I will do that. God bless you and God bless universe. God bless India. God bless Pakistan. And we should get rid of corrupt rulers.
Please keep safe.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Please keep safe. The world needs us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye to all of you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank
Bless
you. Thank you. This young lady is speaking from Chennai, India. आप भी सुने, मैं अभी रिकॉर्डिंग भेजता हूँ जो पूरी की है in 2 parts. It's almost about 18 to 20 minutes, which I'm going to share it with you. ये रिकॉर्डिंग जो अभी शेयर कर रहा हूँ मैं from my wife's number to Commander Tariq, नेवी के कमांडर को भेज रहा हूँ. ये कोई 15 मिनट की है. Stay tuned and keep watching the truth. Allah Hafiz from all over the world. Bless Allah Almighty, bless this universe which belongs to you, which belongs to entire mankind, created by you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
जी, that's the end. Allah Hafiz. Allah आपका हामी नासिर हो. The lady was speaking from Chennai, talking to me. I am in London, north of London, in COVID-19 situation. Still the country is partially locked down. और कहते हैं कि सेकेंड वेव आएगी. कब आएगी, क्या होगा, कुछ कहते हैं शुरू हो चुकी, कुछ कहते हैं आने वाली है. अल्लाह ताला इस अज़ाब से हमें बचाए, पाकिस्तानियों को भी, हिंदुस्तानियों को भी, और दुनिया के हर मुल्क से इस आफत को ज़ेर ज़मीन कर दे, या दफन कर दे, या दफ़ा दूर कर दे, जिसको हम अपनी लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं. स्टे ट्यून एंड कीप वाचिंग द ट्रूथ. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अल्लाह आपका हामी नासिर हो. थैंक यू. रहील अकबर, इसको डाउनलोड करो.